Now we are introducing the automatic capping machine. The open value is from here. Now it's on. Operation manual. All the functions can be finished from here. Before we use this machine, we should adjust it based on different kind of bottles and materials. Yeah. For the capping height, we should adjust it from here. It should be based on the conveyor. Go over there. Then the height for the capping, adjust it from here. The height. And for the width, the belt width of the bottles is from here. Is adjusted from here. Just change it. Will adjust the width. And for the frame, the capping bottles also adjusted based on the bottles. The gap is not too much. The gap is not too much, just a little, so that the bottles will be not laid down when moving the conveyor. Okay, and for adjusting the diameter of the caps, from here with this screw to adjust it from here, then change the volume, change the distance of the caps to adjust it. Okay. Here for adjusting the capping strength of the capping part. For different kind of bottles, the caps material is different, so we'll change different kind of the strength. Now this is the manual for all the operations of this capping machine, and this manual is on the this screen is on the adjustment, because now it's manual type. When it is manual, it's for adjustments. All the steps can be separated with pressing. When you press it, it will work. When you are not pressing, it will be do nothing. Okay. Now for the conveyor motor. When we tested the conveyor motor speed, whether it is okay, we press it. For when we pressing the conveyor motor, the motor will be moved. When it is right, it's working. So, and we can check whether the speed is too fast or too slow for the caps, for the bottles. Okay. Now the bottle clip motor. The bottle clip motor, when we adjustment, now it's open. Press the bottle clip motor. This will be moved. This is for moving the bottles for capping. Okay. So the capping motor is for the moving. We can check whether it is moving. Just press it. The capping motor. When we press in capping motor, the capping parts will be moving. This is for adjustment. For the capping value, it's for the motor work together, so that we can check whether the capping diameter is okay for your caps. Then we can adjust the distance based on the caps. Okay. And the capping value. This is the capping value. This for all the manual operations is operated with the adjustments, so that we can know whether the distance is okay for your caps. And for the capping press value. For the capping press value, we press it, it will be up. When we press it, when it's on, it's down. It's down because we should adjust the height of the bottles. Sometimes your caps is like this, and sometimes your caps is like this. So the distance is a little difference. Okay, this is the pressing part. This is the pressing part. It's based on your bottles also. If your bottles no need this pressing, just adjust the height a little higher is okay. From here. It's from here. Yeah. Make it more higher is okay. So it's tight enough. Okay. All the operations is finished, and here for the capping delay. For the capping delay, it means for the cap, the rollers off, and the bottles will be come out. This is the capping time. The capping time and work with the capping strength. It will be give the tight for your caps. Sometimes if you feel it is too loose, you can edit the time for keeping it longer so that the caps will be more tight. Okay. And this is the caps bottle clip speed. The speed mode is controlled this part. The speed is based on the belts. It should work all together for the capping and for the belts and for this conveyor. Both of them, the speed should be fitted so that the capping will be very good. This is the emergency stop when the machine meets problem, or maybe sometimes the caps, the bottles is laid down and anything else. You want to stop the machine anytime you can use this value. Anytime and any sudden problem with it. Okay.